Hello guys, welcome. I'm KristinCena. In this channel, I do beauty and fashion reviews. And for today's video, I am going to do multi-masking. I meant multi-masking because I am going to use 4 masking products for the hair and for the face, and this is also going to be a short / first impression review. The items that I'm going to try are from the samples from Bella Box, if you have seen my Bella Box unboxing, and the other one is from my Nudie Glow unboxing. So I haven't actually showed you that I've tried it in those videos, so here I am now trying it on and pampering myself with the products that I have received. So while my hair is still damp, we are going to start with the hair mask. Let's use the Coco Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. It restores damaged hair, improves shine and texture, hydrates and tames frizz. As you can see, I really have this frizzy hair over here. Now we're done applying the mask on my hair, and let's leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Next up is the Sand Sky Exfoliating Pink Clay Mask. This baby right here is an exfoliating treatment mask, and it contains the pink clay, which acts like a magnet in removing the toxins and impurities deep within your skin. And also this has very if you go to their page, you will be bombarded with all the testimonials. It also has that nourishing oils, the plant extracts and everything to restore the life on your skin. So let's try this one out. As you can see in the product, it's kind of like blackish pink right here, and it smells like menthol. And actually it's a tip from there that before you apply it on your face, you smell it. Yeah, it actually awakens your senses. It looks pink, and there's black thing all over my face. I believe it's the thing that when you massage it, it's kind of it's a thing that really exfoliates your skin, and it doesn't smell like chemical. It doesn't smell like that at all. It smells so organic, and you can smell the plant, the grapefruit, whatever that's in this product. And now let's massage our face. I've already rinsed my hair and my face, and I'm gonna give the review for the hair when it gets air dried. And I'm gonna go first with the Australian pink clay. I took a before and after picture of my cheeks, my forehead, and the side of my nose. And as you can see in the before part, my skin is flaking, it's dry. It's like my dead skin is trying to come off. And after applying the pink clay, you can see the difference, that it really eliminated that dry skin, that dead skin over there. And my skin isn't left feeling dry. Unlike when you apply clay mask, it feels it feels a little bit moist. No, a little bit moist and not tight on the skin. Yeah, I would rate this baby right here as a first impression a 9 out of 10. Next product that I'm gonna use is this Rose Auto Facial Hydro Gel Mask. This mask right here has triple rose. It has Rose Auto, French Rose, and Morocco Rose, all infused in this bottle to hydrate and nourish your skin. And also it helps in brightening your skin as well. And the tip here is that in order for you to feel more relaxed, you can put this gel mask in the fridge and let it cool for a bit, and then you apply it and you leave this for 10 minutes on your skin and then rinse it off. Ooh, it really smells like a rose. Like the texture is yellowish. If you like the smell of a rose, this is the thing you're looking for. And if you don't, absolutely not, you shouldn't use this. But I'm fine with the smell. It is not really like strong. It's just had a subtle smell. And now I'm applying it on my skin. Ten minutes has passed, and as you can see, the product has dried up and it looks like it's absorbed in my skin. So let's rinse it with lukewarm water. Actually, it says here that it soothes and rehydrates skin and it leaves the skin soft and smooth. And guess what? It really is. My skin, compared to the Sand Sky, after using this, it was moist. And this one made my skin so soft and smooth. Like, yeah, if you touch it like this, it's so soft. The last mask that I'm gonna put on is this J.One Jelly Pack Luminous Mask. This one here is the sheet mask, and there's an ampoule here, which is a step 2 on the product. So it's so cute. It looks like a bottle. So this sheet right here is made of bamboo charcoal to draw out the impurities on my skin, and my skin actually feels so clean right now after using all the masks. But yeah, let's try this one out. So it looks black, so it looks so charcoal like. Let's put it on our face. Try it on. It smells so good. Leave this for 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's remove the bamboo sheet mask. Thank you. By the way, I forgot to mention this mask here is a Korean product and it's cost $6 Australian dollars. So it's kind of like expensive if you do it like every day. So just put it maybe once a week, once or twice. Now let's proceed to the second step, which is the J.One Jelly Pack. This is their all-time best seller. This is an ampoule and then you just pat it on your face. So it comes out a clear liquid. And now let's put it on our face in circular motion. I guess you'll just have to let it dry for a bit. My skin looks so, I don't know, jelly. There's a lot of things that I've put on, but you know, it's all good for the skin. And most of the products right now are all natural, vegan, so you really are you're confident that you're not putting any chemicals in your face. Everything is plant-based, and yeah, it can be absorbed. Your body could happily absorb that product on your skin. I forgot to give a rating for this, so for the Rose Auto Mask, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because it is smooth. It's like smooth, and I feel like I want to have like a moistening effect on my skin. But yeah, that's it. And for the J.One jelly pack, which is this baby right here, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I guess I should give the rating for the Coco for the hair mask. It's so smooth. And of course, because it's wet, it's not showing that I have a frizzy hair. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 as well. I really feel like my skin is so light and it like moves wherever I want. It just feels so energized. It just came back to life and it just feels great. But the thing about it is that the smell is so strong that it actually made me sick, kind of. Well, maybe it's not just because of this, but also the mix of the rose from the Rose Auto Hydrogel Mask. It also adds up to that. The smell really lingers. I have to dry it up. Like, I had to go out and dry my hair out because I feel like I wanna vomit. I don't know if it was just my body or it was just because of that smell. But I am not gonna take off any points from that because it's just the smell, it's just me. But the product itself works great for the hair. So that completes this video. Those are the 4 masking products that I've used, and so far I like it. Since it's just first impression, I still like it, and of course you have to use it couple of times, like few weeks, so that you will know if it really works best on your skin. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!